Just 2 drops of oil in your belly button? It might sound like a myth, but ancient Ayurveda and modern science both suggest that this simple ritual could help balance your hormones, improve digestion, boost your skin's glow, and calm your nervous system. Today, you'll discover the real science behind navel oiling, the healing power of castor oil, and how it may activate one of the most important nerves in your body, the vagus nerve. The hidden power of the navel. Your navel, or belly button, is more than just a scar from birth. It was your first point of life, feeding you oxygen and nutrients through the umbilical cord. Even after birth, this area remains a key neurological and circulatory hub. Beneath the thin layer of skin around the navel lies a dense network of nerve endings, blood vessels, and lymphatic tissue that connect to many vital organs, including your intestines, kidneys, and reproductive system. In Ayurveda, this area is said to house the Pachoti gland, believed to absorb herbal oils and distribute their benefits throughout the body. Castor oil, a natural healing elixir? Now let's talk about the star of this ritual, castor oil. Extracted from the Ricinus communis plant, castor oil is rich in a rare fatty acid called ricinoleic acid, which has powerful anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and detoxifying properties. Used for centuries in Ayurvedic, Chinese, and Egyptian medicine, castor oil penetrates deeply into tissues, supporting circulation, digestion, skin health, and hormone balance, especially when applied to key areas like the navel. Key health benefits of applying castor oil to your navel. Supports digestion. Applying castor oil to your navel helps stimulate the nerves connected to your digestive organs. This can relieve constipation, reduce bloating, and ease indigestion. Because the navel is centrally located near the intestines and stomach, this simple act promotes smoother digestion and helps your body absorb nutrients better. Improve skin health. Castor oil is deeply moisturizing and has antibacterial properties. When absorbed through the navel, it may help regulate your skin's oil production and reduce acne-causing bacteria. Improved blood circulation from gentle massage also gives your skin a natural, radiant glow. Over time, castor oil can help fade scars, dark spots, and blemishes, all while nourishing your skin from within. Balances hormones naturally. For women, the navel oiling ritual can support a healthy menstrual cycle and reduce symptoms of PMS like cramps and mood swings. The oil helps increase blood flow and circulation to the reproductive organs, promoting better hormonal communication and balance. It's also believed to support thyroid function, which regulates metabolism and energy. Reduces stress and enhances sleep via vagus nerve stimulation. The vagus nerve is your body's master regulator of relaxation. It controls your heart rate, digestion, and mood. While the vagus nerve doesn't directly pass through the skin at the navel, applying castor oil and massaging the area stimulates sensory nerves that communicate with the vagus nerve. This helps lower stress hormones, promotes calmness, and supports deeper, more restful sleep. Boosts overall wellness and mind-body connection. This simple nightly ritual connects you with your body, encouraging mindfulness and self-care. By stimulating the navel, you support your body's natural ability to heal and maintain balance. Over time, you may notice improved energy, reduced anxiety, and a sense of grounded well-being. How to use the castor oil. Here's how to try this at home. Use cold-pressed, organic castor oil. Before bedtime, apply 2 to 3 drops directly into your navel. Gently massage in a circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes. Lie down and let your body absorb the magic overnight. Repeat for 21 days consistently to feel the best results. Small rituals often bring the biggest changes. Try this ancient practice and let your body speak for itself. If you found this helpful, please like the video. Subscribe to Health with Harmeed for more natural health tips. And share your experience with navel oiling in the comments below.